This channel is making $1,000 to $16,000 per month from AI generated videos. I want you to check out the estimated earnings. It's showing 36 to 583, 44 710. I think they're making around $200 to $500 per day from this simple YouTube channel. I'm going to show you exactly how to use the power of ChatGPT, an AI video generator, to create YouTube videos like this that are making hundreds of dollars on a daily basis. So without further ado, let's get started. So the channel is called Brainidos. You can see they have 2.1 million subscribers and over 480 videos. And if you go to this video section, you can see they have videos. If you check the popular one, they have videos with over 1 million views, 10, 9, 8. And there's so many videos over 1 million views. So this channel is making thousands of dollars on a monthly basis. And if you check the videos, they are mostly basically AI generated videos with a proper human voiceover. That's why it's making a little bit more natural, and people will listen to this sort of content, which are most of these topics are very interesting. So I'm going to show you how you can actually find topics that are similar to this one, even better, and the actual scripts. Then I show you how you can use the power of AI video generators to create the videos, put the voiceovers, and boom, you got a proper channel that can generate thousands of dollars on a monthly basis. So I'm going to use this video as an example. So I'm going to copy the actual title. I want to create a video similar to this one. Look, you don't need to copy paste the stuff. You can come up with your actual video titles. But if you want a channel similar to this one or similar to these sort of channels, you need to actually copy the title, go to ChatGPT, and ask ChatGPT to give you more interesting topics. So I'm going to say, get me 5 topics similar to this one and make it a bit more interesting. Okay. And now ChatGPT will give me 5 more topics. I need to refresh it now. Just copy it, refresh it. Okay, so these are the topics that actually ChatGPT is giving me now. Look, if you like any of the topics, great. You can actually use it for your video. If you didn't like it, you can ask ChatGPT to actually just paraphrase the actual topic and give you a similar one if you want to make it very similar. But right now, I just like, for example, this one, number 5, the beauty of being alone, exploring the joys of solo travel and adventure. This is slightly a different topic, but similar. Okay, so let's say this is the topic that I want to create a YouTube video for it. Okay, now that I have the actual topic for my video, I need a script for my video as well. Okay, and in order to create the script, I'm going to use ChatGPT again. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to ask ChatGPT to get me 2,000 words, okay, 2,000 words script for a YouTube video for the topic. And now ChatGPT will create this script for my YouTube video that I'm going to use it using the actual AI. Okay, so I actually got this script for my video, as you can see right now. So welcome to this video on the beauty of being alone, exploring the joys of solo travel and adventure. Traveling is one of the most beautiful experiences that life has to offer. So you can see this is slightly a different topic, which is completely fine. This is just an example, but you can see it's giving me a proper script for my video. So after I've got the script, I'm going to copy the script, okay, and create a video for this script. Let me just copy it. So in order to create a video, you can use tools like Canva and use all these videos on Canva and Pixabay and things like that. But the tool I'm going to use is called Pictory. I'll leave a link in the description below. And using the link in the description below, you also get a discounted price. So this AI video generator is going to help you turn your articles and your scripts into actual video. After you register and log into your account, you will come to this page. And as you can see, you have a couple of options. You can copy the actual link, or the actual script. And in this case, I have a script. So I'm going to select script to video and click on proceed. Now I need to copy and paste the script. I already copied the script and I'm going to paste it here. So I have a script for my video and I'm going to call it The Beauty of Being Alone, Exploring the Joys of Solo Travel and Adventure. So this is the topic, the name of this video. Okay. Once I pasted the script, you need to click on proceed. So now you can see we have a couple of templates to choose from. You can just go check any of them to see which one is suitable for your video depending on the niche and your actual content. I'm going to select any of them. Like for now, I'm just going to select this one, the Unity. Click on select. And depending on what sort of videos you're trying to create, a YouTube short, a TikTok video, or Pinterest video, or a simple YouTube video, I'm going to use 16:9. So I'm going to click on continue, and it starts generating the scenes for the script. Sweet. So I've got videos based on the scenes, right? Let me just play one of them and see how it looks. Okay, so welcome to this video on the beauty of being alone and stuff like that. Okay, now I need a voiceover for this video. So there is no voiceover. So what you can do, you can choose a background sound and a voiceover. So voiceovers are very important. In order to make it a little bit more engaging, I'll probably recommend using Fiverr. So to add the voiceovers, you got a couple of options. Fiverr is one of them. Go to fiverr.com and search for voiceovers. And you can see you have so many options for different languages. Select the language and listen to these people, see which one you liked, and then you can ask them for the voiceover. So what you need to do, copy the script, send it over, and they will get you the voiceover. Okay, this is one of the methods that you can use for the voiceovers, because these are actual human beings making voiceovers for you. So your video is going to sound a little bit more it's actually more natural than using AI. Okay, if you don't want to spend so much money on voiceovers, you can go back to Pictory and go to this section called voiceover. Okay, so here they added these new sounds as well, Ava, Tom, Alice, and things like that. They sound pretty okay, I would say. They're not great, but they do a great job. So if you listen to them, see which one you liked, and then apply it, and it will automatically apply the voiceovers for your video. Okay. And even if you want a little bit more natural AI sound, I'll probably recommend using Murph. I'll leave a link in the description below to Murph. Go to this website and listen to this AI sound. Just copy and paste the script. They sound pretty natural. Sometimes you can't even tell it's an AI generated sort of voiceover. So if you don't want to spend so much money on Fiverr, you can use a website like Murph, which I'll leave a link in the description below. Check it out. See if you liked it. And after you got the voiceover, you need to go back to Pictory again. Okay, so now we got the videos and the voiceover. So in order to upload the voiceover, go to this My Upload section and drag and drop your file. Okay, so you can drag and drop your voiceover here, and it will automatically sync the voiceovers to the scenes. So you have the video and the voiceovers. And there's one more thing left here, and that's background music. So depending on what sort of video you are trying to create, you can use different genre, right? You can use, I don't know, hip hop, ambient, or depending on what sort of content you have. If you're creating content for health and fitness, probably you need a little bit more hype sort of content. So after you selected your background music, just click on apply, and it will be applied to your video. But make sure when you're using this background music, just reduce it to, I would say, around, I think 15 would do the job. You don't want to make it too loud, so it's not distracting the people. And now we got the background music, voiceover, and the video. Okay, for this video, I'm just going to select voiceover from here. I'm going to use Liam. This one. Click on apply. I apply it. I've got the background music as well applied for it as well. and I got the scenes. So I'm going to click on generate, and now it starts generating the video for my script. So this is how you can create videos like this one. And if you don't like to show the text on your scenes, you can go back to the scene that you want. If you want to get rid of the text, just go to settings and click on hide text, and it will disappear for that specific scene, and it will create a video exactly like this one, right? And they are getting millions of views, man. They're getting millions of views. And if you ran out of topics, go back to the channel, check the topics that are getting a lot of attention. 14 signs of vitamin D deficiency. These are very cool topics that everybody would probably watch. And ChatGPT has always answers for all sort of questions like that, okay? And that's pretty much it for this video. I'll leave a link in the description below to all the tools that I have used for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to tap that like button, because it actually helps more people to learn how to create AI generated YouTube videos and start actually making money. So that's pretty much it. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe and tap that little bell so you don't miss out the next video. See you in the next one.